Hello guys, and welcome to this course on AI, artificial intelligence. So in this course, I'm going to take you through how to use AI for different things like marketing, generate ideas, write books, and so on and so forth. So AI has been here for a very long time, right? Remember when you search for something on Google and the result comes out, that is AI working for you. But after I think 2022, that ChatGPT was introduced, and when ChatGPT crossed over 1 million users eventually, a lot of people began to talk about AI. But like I said, AI has been here for a very long time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use artificial intelligence. It's a crash course. So I'm going to show you about 3 tools that you can use for AI. As AI, right? So the first one is BART. So BART is a tool by Google. Okay. So Google's, started their own, just like ChatGPT, and the particular product is called BART, BARD. So you can go to bard.google.com and sign in with your Gmail. So if you have a Gmail, basically you can access any of Google's products. Right, so how do we begin? So let's say this is bad. This is the way it's going to look. And let's say you want to search for something, or you want to tell it to write something for you. All you need to do is to enter what we call a prompt. Now, when we say a prompt is what the instruction that you give to AI to write something for you or to generate something for you. That is basically what a prompt means. And the more concise a prompt is, the more, the better the result of the prompt. So for example, let's say I say, write an email about my course. I can put comma, WhatsApp sales blueprint. Now, this is a prompt. I just say, write an email about my course, WhatsApp sales blueprint. Let's see what the result will be. So it says here, dear name. So it puts the name of the person. That is, if you are writing an email, you usually put the name of those people. I hope the email finds you well. I'm writing you today to introduce you to my new course, WhatsApp sales blueprint. This course is designed to teach you everything about you need about using WhatsApp to generate leads, close sales, and build relationships with your customers. WhatsApp is the most popular messaging app in the world with over 2 billion active users, right? So in this course, you will learn, create a WhatsApp business account, set up your WhatsApp marketing strategy, track your, and so on and so forth. It even says send automated WhatsApp messages, and so on and so forth, right? So it then puts the, so it says the course is now available for purchase. You can get instant access to all of the course materials, including videos, PDFs, cheat sheets, etc. And then it puts the link and then the name. Now, I just says, right, I didn't tell it what my course is about. But let's assume that I decided to write another prompt. Then I said, write an email introducing my course, the WhatsApp sales blueprint. It's a course that teaches people how to make money selling on WhatsApp. The product could be selling product. Let me put product there. Selling products on WhatsApp. The product could be digital or physical, their own product or affiliate product. Now, if I want to even take this further, I could not give it some of the things in the WhatsApp and the bonuses that I'm also going to give. But I just want to improve on that prompt so that you see. So let's tell it again. Right. So I just sent that prompt to BART. So let's see how BART is going to respond here. It says, so sure, here is an email introducing your course. Learn how to make money selling products on WhatsApp. So it even gives you like the subject, right, or the topic that you're going to, or headline that you're going to send to your email subscriber. Hi, name again. I hope this email find you right. So it's also started with, I'm writing to you today to introduce you to my new course, the WhatsApp sales blueprint. The course is designed to teach you everything you need to know. Everything you need to know about using WhatsApp to sell products and make money. So it also talks about, because this is something that I think is good, it also talks about other things like you know, like WhatsApp being having over 2 billion active users. Then it says in the course, here is what you learn. So now, instead of giving here's what you learn, I could have provided it with my course materials. I mean, what people are going to learn, right? So then it also says, I will also share with you my own personal tips and strategy for using WhatsApp to grow my business, and so on and so forth. So now imagine I take this email. This is a very good email, and then send it to my subscriber. What do you think is going to happen? Of course, some of them will click on that link and it could lead to sales. So that is one way to use AI for marketing. Now let's say I could say generate. So I just said generate an email to use with the email. So let's see what it will bring for us. So here ChatGPT will say image of a person using WhatsApp on their phone. Now, Bard. So Bard cannot produce email. It can't generate email, but it gives you prompt that you can use to generate the image. So it's an image of a person using WhatsApp on their phone. The image should be accompanied by a caption that reads something like, learn how to make money selling products on WhatsApp with the WhatsApp sales blueprint, right? You see? You can also include link to the course in the caption, right? So you see? And it also gives you the idea. It's saying, here are some tips for creating an effective email for your email. Use high quality images that are relevant to your course. Make sure the images are clear and easy, and so on and so forth. Do you see that? Now, if I want to do, what I can do here is I can just copy this prompt, image of a person using WhatsApp on their phone, and then take it to an app like Bing, which I'm going to show you very soon, and then we can use it to generate an image. Okay, so now anything you want to do here, this is how to do it with Bard. So you just keep asking, and Bard can remember the previous conversation, right? So if you have said something before, right, you can refer to it and then tell me, okay, tell me more about image of a person using WhatsApp, right? And it can definitely tell you. So that is for Bard. Now, if you want to write a blog post, right, you could also write, you can just type it, write me a blog post about WhatsApp. Let's try that. All right, so here I just say write a blog post about WhatsApp sales blueprint. So let us send it to Bard and see what it will write for us. So it says, sure, here is a blog post about the book WhatsApp sales blueprint. WhatsApp sales blueprint, the ultimate guide to selling on WhatsApp. So you see, WhatsApp is the most popular messaging app in the world with over 2 billion users, blah, blah, blah. If you are looking for a way to reach more customers and so on and so forth. You see, it wrote a blog post about WhatsApp. But like I said, anytime you want to write something, especially a blog post with AI generative text, make sure that you edit it, add your own experience and make it better. Because if you are just copying and paste on a blog with AI, your website is going to be affected, because Google doesn't want people to just be using AI to just generate blog posts. You understand? So make sure that your experience is embedded in the blog post. So if you want to write an article or a blog post about WhatsApp sales blueprint or about anything, this is one of the ways to do that. So because AI is basically meant to help you, right? So generate the idea and then you can then build on it. So the next thing we're going to move on to now is okay, let's go to ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is almost the same thing like Bard. So I'm going to take the same prompt that I give that I gave Bard to ChatGPT and see what it will do with it. All right, so now I'm in ChatGPT, and the way to go to ChatGPT is to go to chat.openai.com, or you can just go to ai.com. Again, you need to sign in with your email. So here you can use maybe Microsoft Mail, right? Or you can use Google Mail. So here I said write a blog post about the WhatsApp sales blueprint course. So I'm just going to put it. So let's see what ChatGPT will bring for that. So ChatGPT says WhatsApp sales blueprint course, and it's now generating the the blog post about it. So basically it's the same thing. You can write with ChatGPT, you can write with Bard, and it seems like ChatGPT is even giving you more what is it called? It's giving you more options. For example, see, it's even adding the refund policy and so on and so forth. But it says, however, the lack of a free trial, so it stopped there because there's a limit to how many emails it can write. What you can do is that I could say write a 300 word, so that it will just write me the exact limit. But you can see it seems like a nice article actually. Can you see? Can you see? So that is basically it. So let's say you want to generate ideas. Maybe you want to know how to you want to generate ideas, or you want to do keyword research. You can use ChatGPT to write it. Or one of the things you can also do is, let's say you are given a task, right, to do. Let's say an employer gives you a task to do. You can come to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT or Bard and say, oh, I want you to pretend to be a digital marketer, right? See this article, or see this assignment that was given to me by my employer. What do you think I can do to make this assignment come out very well? And ChatGPT is going to answer you with that. So basically that is how to use ChatGPT. So if you are doing WhatsApp marketing, for example, and you want to write content every day, you can tell ChatGPT to give you content ideas, 30-day content ideas that you can use on WhatsApp. So for example, let's try it. So here, it just give me content ideas. So I was just writing, I just dropped. So, but it says here are 30 content ideas for a blog, social media platform, or forms of content creation. A round up of your favorite books in your niche. So maybe on the first day on your WhatsApp status, you can just talk about a favorite book that you have read. The second one, you can talk about a beginner's guide to your industry. The third day, you can do question and answer from an expert, and so on and so forth. Up to 30, right? So now the better input you give ChatGPT, the better it is going to help you, right? So that is that about ChatGPT. Now let's go to the last but not the least, which is Bing, right? So I'm just gonna search for Bing. This is Bing. So Bing can actually even generate image for you. So here, let's see something. So now this is Bing, right? If you want Bing to be to generate image, always try to use the creative mode, right? So change it to creative mode. It says clear your conversation and start your original and imaginative chat. Here it says the same thing, but the thing is that the creative is better, especially if you want to also generate image. So I'm just going to come to ask me anything, and then I'll paste it. I'll paste what I've just written there. Okay, so I said image of a person holding WhatsApp. So let's see what it will do for us. So you see, when I said image of a person holding WhatsApp, okay, it says it doesn't understand because it doesn't know if I'm telling it to create an image of a person holding WhatsApp. But so it now asked me, do you want me to create image of a person holding WhatsApp? And I said, yes, please. And then it says, okay, I will try to create that. So it's generating the image of a person holding WhatsApp for me now. Do you see now? So I could just look at each of these images, and then I can decide to use the one that I want. So guys, this is where we're going to stop, right? This is how to use this, more like an AI crash course. You can use it for your marketing. You can use it to generate image. For example, let's click on one of these images. So that's the image. If you want, you can then download the image and then use it for your marketing, right? So that is where we're going to stop in this video. If you have any question, right, if you have any question, please drop it under the video and I'll be so much happy to help you further. So we have used ChatGPT today. We have used BAT, we have used ChatGPT, and we have used Bing. So Bing is an app, so I just downloaded it and I just sign in with my email, and then I'm able to use it. The same way, all of this AI tools actually require you to sign in. So that is all about the AI crash course. If you have any question, right, please remember to ask under this video or in our Facebook community for my students. That's for my students, right? Thank you so much. So try using those things and let us know in the comment section. All right, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notifications so that anytime I post videos like this, you'll be the first to know about it. All right, thank you very much for watching. Bye.